Hello everyone, welcome to Mix Bytes. Today we will be unboxing and reviewing brand new Vivo V15 Pro. So here I go unwrapping the box and cutting the authorized seal. The first thing I find in the box is a SIM ejection tool taped to a user guide having product specifications and all other info. Next is a silicone transparent case with a black rubber-like matte finish at its edges. Let's keep this aside for now. And finally, here is the Vivo V15 Pro. Inside a scratch-proof plastic covering, and you can just slide the phone to remove it from the covering. So friends, this is how Vivo V15 Pro looks. It's quite sleek with a good build quality. It has a color flickering body at its back and it's amazing. I like the color as it has a combination of black with a little of glossy maroon and light blue lines. For now, let's keep this aside too and check what else is in the box. It contains a Type B charging cable which is of good quality and an earphone. There is a charging adapter which is of decent build quality. Let's keep this all back and first protect the mobile by putting the case which came along. I like the case as it has transparent back which does not cover the back panel of the mobile, and it has a charger covering which would keep the port safe from dust. Proper cutouts for speaker, camera, audio jack just makes it right for the mobile. Now let's switch on the mobile. As you can see, after a few attempts, it shows battery low status. Let's connect a power bank and then try switching it on again. Finally, it has switched on. It's taking quite long for the setup to appear, so I feel the mobile boot time is more. This indicates that on usage it would become slow and it would lag in its functionality. I would just speed up with the process, choosing the language as English, accepting the terms, setting up the Wi-Fi network, accepting the Google services, setting up the time and date. I will skip the face lock setting for now. You can also transfer the data from your existing mobile, and I would skip this too. And this is it, it's ready to use. The first thing I would like to see is the camera. As the spec says, it is of 48 megapixels plus 8 megapixels plus 5 megapixels, as it has a triple camera lens. The clarity of pictures is good, but I would rate it 8 out of 10 for its specs. Front camera is of 32 megapixel. It has an Android version 9 Pie operating system with storage space of 128 GB and RAM is of 6 GB. It has a 675 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. And 3700 mAh of battery capacity. It has an inbuilt QR code scanner. The display is good and I would rate it 8 out of 10. As you can see, the software is a bit slow, so I would rate it 7 out of 10. And the overall performance seems to be 8 out of 10. So it has charged to 7% via power bank in 10 minutes. Let's charge it using the charger that came along. So friends, in 30 minutes, it has charged from 7 to 56% using Vivo Fast Charge. I feel it would take more than an hour for a full charge. So this was all about Vivo V15 Pro and its review. I personally did not find it great for a price of 23,000. Overall, I would rate it 7 out of 10. So friends, if you like the video, then please like, share, comment and must subscribe to Mix Bytes.